are also having a background of railways, right? Can you please tell me, there are in terms of security grade of railways, we always come across three terms: RPF, RPSF, and GRP.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between three agencies?
Sir, the GRP is basically the state police that is kept so that there is security of the assets that are around there. So the railway police force is the one which ensures that there is safety of the passengers on the train, moving on the train.
So you are suggesting it's the mandate of GRP to secure the assets of the railways, or it is primarily the mandate of RPF?
So I think the RPF is the one that secures the assets.